Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Leadpages to publish high converting affiliate pages, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Leadpages website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once registered, log in to your Leadpages dashboard. On the dashboard, explore the template library to find designs tailored for affiliate marketing. Select a template that resonates with your target audience and goals. Click on the chosen template to open the editor. In the editor, customize the text to fit your affiliate product's specific benefits. Add images that enhance your message and grab attention. Incorporate call to action buttons that lead to your affiliate links. Ensure that these buttons are prominently placed for maximum visibility. Adjust the layout as needed, keeping mobile optimization in mind. Use Leadpages' built-in tools to preview how your page will look on different devices. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button. Choose a domain for your page, either using a Leadpages subdomain or your own custom domain. Make sure to connect your domain if you opt to use a custom one. After publishing, copy the unique URL for your new affiliate page. Test the functionality of your page by clicking through the links. Monitor your page's performance using Leadpages integration with analytics tools. Continuously optimize your page based on the data you gather. Adjust your content, images, and calls to action to improve conversion rates. Stay informed about updates from Leadpages to leverage new features. Remember, a well-optimized affiliate page is key to driving sales and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.